अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। आज ये क्रिप्टो करेंसी के बारे में बता रहे हैं। तो मैं आपको ये ओपन करके दिखाती हूँ। इसकी वेबसाइट ओपन हो रही है अभी। तो क्रिप्टो करेंसी और NFTS वेबसाइट के बारे में। तो फ्रेंड्स, ये है CBS न्यूज़ एक्सप्लेनिंग वेब free from the blockchain and crypto and NFTS and the metaverse। तो फ्रेंड्स, इधर लिखा हुआ है लास्ट वीक ऑन ट्विटर जैक डॉर्सी trashed the busy tech trend known as web, telling consumer to be wary and to to be wary and it as a tool for venture capitalists, hyping cryptocurrency Tim O'Reilly, the other who coined the phrase Web 2.0 back in 204, also warned this month it was too early to get excited about Web 3. Time magazine's Person of the Year Elon Musk trolled, simply Web 3 sounds like buzz. Is it? Web 3 is tech hottest buzzword, yet the term is amorphous and evolving rapidly, its meaning often changing depending on who talking about it. Click here to view related media clip to expand used by enthusiasts to describe the next phase of the internet. Web 3 is characterized by internet service and mobile apps rebuilt on decentralized blockchain technology. It often includes a broad spectrum of emerging technology like cryptocurrency, DAOs, and digital assets like NFTS or non